Hey, it's so nice to see you here again, and I'm so thrilled to make another lesson about long I, which means I am still focused on long I. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe and don't miss further lessons. Now, as you can see, in both cases, vowels are going to be pronounced like I. So, I mentioned one of my previous lessons that if words finish to vowel E, it's not going to be pronounced. The vowel E is silent at the end of the word. Let's take a look at the words. Pie, 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 tie, 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 lie, 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 die, die. It's not actually a pleasant word, but still we should be aware how to pronounce this one correctly. Die, die. Okay, let's go on. Cried, cried. The little baby cried. Fried, fried. My mom fried potatoes. Or my mom fried some eggs. Next, dried, dried. Remember, this is not dr, it's actually jr, jr, as there is the letter j after a d. Jr, jr, dried, dried. Okay. Tried. And here, after letter T, there is the sound ch. Tried, tried, tried. I've tried many times. Don't give up. Keep trying. Tried, tried. Okay, it's time to focus on the next row. My, my, my. By the way, by the way. Shy, it's actually a personality. Shy, shy. There are some people who are very shy. Shy. My little sister is very shy. My little sister is super shy. Shy. Next one, fly. Fly. This can actually be a noun and a verb. To fly or a fly. Fly. Okay, cry. Cry. Little babies tend to cry. Little babies like crying. Cry. Fry. 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 Dry. 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 Last but not least, try. Try. Keep trying. Never give up. Keep trying. Don't give up. Keep trying. Try. Try. Okay, it's time to repeat all the words one more time. I'm gonna go first. If you want to, you can repeat after me. Let's go. Pie, tie, lie, die, cry, fright, for fried. Dried, dried, tried. My, by, shy, fly, cry, fry, dry, and try. Well done! Let's practice those words in the sentences, okay? I want you to focus on the key words. So, let's read them. Pie, tie, fried, cried, and tried. Now, let me read the sentences and let me repeat the words one more time. I love apple pie, or whatever pie you love. I love apple pie. I love apple pie. Pie, pie, apple pie. My dad wears black tie. Tie, tie, black tie, black tie. My dad wears black tie. Mom fried some eggs yesterday. Mom fried, fried. Mom fried some eggs yesterday. The baby cried all night. The baby cried all night. The baby cried, cried. I tried a few times yesterday. I'm not sure. Wherever you tried, maybe speaking in English, maybe making videos, maybe making some friends. I tried a few times yesterday. So you worked on something and you tried several times. Okay, let's repeat one more time the words. Pie, pie, tie, tie, fried, fried, cried, cried, tried, tried. I'm so happy to finish this lesson. Okay, that's it for today and see you tomorrow.